Good day guys, this is Practiphile and today we're going to take a look at the Mangird Tea Pro SE. Thank you so much for my sugar daddy, JTiz. So yeah, it's from him, but yeah, I think Linsel sent it to him. So thank you also Linsel for the sample giving to him and then he sent it to me. So there's a good symbiotic relationship in here. So about myself, I am Practiphile. I'm a self-taught musician. I mainly play the drums. I also play the guitars and I once lived in the land of the audiophile heaven, Japan. So I probably have tried, I don't know, close to 1,000 IMs by now and headphones and other sources. However, it doesn't make my ear superior to yours because your opinions are as valid as mine and, you know, this is a very subjective hobby. So only trust your ears because ultimately you are going to spend your own cash. Alright, so the Tea Pro SE. The Tea Pro SE is priced, how much are these? These are priced $449. Wow, it's more expensive than the Hype 4 Mark II. This is a 2DD6BA IM. I don't have the box with me, but I have the case, which is here, and then the IMs themselves and the cable. But looking at the cable and all the overall packaging, I feel like the Type 4 Mark II has better value, I guess, because it has better cable, you know, for like 50 bucks less. They're made of metal. It has this kind of like green Mangird in there. Green Mangird? What's that mean? Oh, I don't ear tip. Let me use an ear tip. I'm just gonna use the left ear in here. So fit is actually very snug. So it looks like that one in there. Does it look cool? Yeah, it's really looks like it. I like the fit on this better than the Hype 4 Mark IIs. So yeah, it's made of metal and that's it. An interchangeable termination, just pretty standard recently, you know. So yeah, let us just move on to the sound in here. So the graph of the Tea Pro SE is like that in there, and I'm just gonna overlay there the original Tea Pro. I've actually tried it, maybe from Paul before. That was like, I don't know, 2 years ago. But you can see it's very like similar. So and the Tea Pro, the original Tea Pro is, how much is the original Tea Pro? Is priced how much? Come on, $359. So almost $100, $90 difference. So I don't know, like maybe the shells, they're now metal. So the tuning is a little bit different though. This is more on the like more lean and brighter side. So yeah, the characteristics are really a little bit similar. You do see there that the SE version has a tighter bass, so it tucks earlier, maybe around 150. It has more sub bass in there, and then it's a little bit brighter too. So it's more of like a leaner and then a little bit more treble forward as you may. And it just really shares the same characteristics for 90 bucks more. I feel like the original Tea Pro has more character because that bass in there, I remember it to be very syrupy bass. I really like the bass on that. With the Tea Pro SE, it sounds more, how do I say? It sounds more like very vanilla, I should say. Like, I don't know, it's just me. Just very vanilla for me. Just okay bass. I mean, the bass has good definition, but then again, comparing it to the original Tea Pro, the bass has more character on the original Tea Pro. Mids are the same as far as like my memory is concerned. I hope I'm not demented or something, but yeah, I feel like the mids on here are similar. The treble, again, there's a little bit of increase there in the treble. I don't know, 1 to 2 dB, so it sounds a little bit brighter, you know, and maybe you are the target demographic for this one here, and maybe it justifies the $90 increase. Right? Yeah, that is the overall sound of the Tea Pro SE in here. Let us just move on to the comparisons here and let's sniff this one here. All right, so yeah, that's the original Tea Pro SE. And if I've already talked about this in my Hype 4 review, but if you haven't watched it, I am just gonna put that in there. So yeah, very similar tonality as you can see. The Hype 4 is gonna have a better mids presentation, better vocal rendition, but between the two, the treble, I feel like the treble on the SE is much I wouldn't say it's smoother. It's probably more listenable than the Mark II. I mean, the Mark II also has very good resolution and it extracts a lot of details at the expense of being too bright. So I would say that the Tea Pro SE here is a much safer pick for $50 more and more vanilla. So I don't know what I'd probably pick the Hype 4 Mark II and then EQ the treble because the mids are just wonderful on the Hype 4 Mark II. So I feel like there's better value with the Hype 4 Mark II. Another one is, what do I compare it to? Yeah, I already compare it with the T Pro, right? EP321, why not? You know, like, man, these are just very similar sets in here. So it's like I should have done a video of Hype 4 Mark II and T Pro SE because the comparisons are probably the same. The EP321 is here because, I don't know, I feel like it has better value. The EP321 has better value. It has much better bass. What I mean by better bass is like, and relative to the treble. So again, MEMS driver, it has a different treble character. I do find that the treble is, you know, just different overall, and it's more engaging, it's much safer sounding, so I'd probably pick the binary EP321. Reminded me of the True-Way actually, because that Mangird sound has that kind of like very lush mids, so the True-Way is here. I don't know, it just reminded me of the True-Way. Maybe because of the mids in there. The graph is a little bit different, but yeah, the Mangird Tea Pro might have a little more, SE might have a little more sub bass in there, but the overall mids and warmth are very similar. The True-Way also has a smoother treble response, so yeah, I think the True-Way, I'd probably pick the True-Way in here. I have to choose between both. So yeah, I guess this release is just an okay set. So alright, if I have to score this set in here, the tonality for me might be, yeah, maybe just 2.5. It's not really bad. It's very, yeah, again, it's vanilla. It's not something that I love. It's definitely something that I like. Yeah, so 2.5 for the tonality. Bass is 2.5 as well. Bass is, because I feel like the original T Pro has better bass character. It has that great impact, very, not impact, but more of like very enveloping bass. That's what I remember. So based on this, just 2.5. Mids is 2.5. I tried it with my drums actually, and I felt like the overall timbre on the snares, the cymbals, and you know, the toms, they're fine. The kick drums, they're okay. But then the cymbals are just a little bit too forward sounding, similar with the Hype 4 Mark IIs, which was a little bit of a bummer because, you know, I tend to like lower down the volume and I end up not hearing my kick drum because of the forward sounding cymbals, if that makes sense. So for the mids for this, just 2.5. Treble again, in relationship to what I just mentioned about my drums, I'm just gonna give the treble on this 2 because again, sometimes it has that unnatural not really a natural timbre, it's just that, I don't know, it's not natural sounding for me. Maybe it can be for you. And then technicalities is 2.5 because again, for the price, there are better sets for the price, you know, like, I don't know, like the Hype 4 Mark IIs and the EP321. So technicalities on here is just 2.5. Very good detailer treble overall, but you know, there are much better, there are IAMs that does technicalities much better, if that makes sense. So that's an overall score of 12, and 12 for me is A-. So yeah, it's not bad. 12 for me is like, it's generally better than other sets. Very good for the price, but the tonality might not match your preference. Would I say this is an upgrade from the original T Pro? I don't know, maybe it's just a really different flavor, and then you add 90 bucks for that maybe metal shells and, I don't know, like extra treble and a little bit different bass. You tell me, like, what do you think? So yeah, I guess that's it for my review, guys. If you find my videos helpful and you're learning a lot, consider liking, subscribing, and yeah, see you next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.